Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Monroy. If you're new here, bienvenidos, welcome. And today we're going to be talking about, not only talking, but we'll also be doing eyebrow lamination. I'm going to be doing it on myself. So this is kind of a new, old, not so new trend that just came out recently. And it's about brushing or giving your face a lift without the use of Botox or any other stuff like that. So no surgeries at all. Now, what is eyebrow lamination? Eyebrow lamination, it's a perming treatment that involves correcting the brow shape, but by setting the hairs in place using a chemical solution. I don't think there is a product for eyebrow lamination, so I decided to use this eyelash lift, and I noticed that a lot of people had already used it and it actually worked. So now, as you can see, my eyebrows, they are okay, but I would like a little lift. So, and sometimes I have to fill them in, and sometimes I have to brush them up in the mornings, and I wish I could save that time. I got this eyelash lift on Amazon. So it shows you right here in the back all the products that come with it. So if you want to get good results, go to the hair salon, go to the whatever eyebrow lady, and get your eyebrows waxed and trim and ready to go, so you can do this yourself at home if you want to do this at home. Use some Nivea. This is like a cleanser makeup remover, and this is just a little wipe just to clean any makeup or any oil from my eyebrows. This is, first of all, I'm gonna be trying this. It's a new thing for me. I don't do this professionally. I don't do it on anyone. I'm gonna do it on myself. So I feel like if you're gonna try it out at home, then just make sure that it's pretty much away from your eyes and away from any your kids or anyone that could also be affected by it. I'm gonna try just to keep it minimal and trying to keep it away completely from my eyes. But if you are doing this at home, just try to be careful, and yeah, I don't want you guys to get hurt from these. I'm gonna start by applying this false lash glue. So this is the moment of truth, guys. So hopefully it goes so well. Otherwise, I don't know what's gonna happen. So this is it, false lashes glue, and it comes in the little package as I show you guys. And I'm gonna be applying this on my eyebrows, and so I'm gonna do one at a time. So I'm gonna do one first, apply the eyelash glue, then I'm gonna use my brush to brush them up until I find them to be okay, and until I find the shape that I like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the number one little bottle, and it's the perm solution. So I am going to be very gentle because I don't want to move anything that I already did. I'm happy with the shape, although I feel like this one looks a little more lifted than this one. I tried to do the same with the other one, but of course they're sisters, they're not twins. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these right here. I'm gonna be using these to set my eyebrows. So I'm gonna put it all over my face. So I'm just gonna be using this side right here. Now this is a Dollarama plaster wrap, so Might be terrible, but we'll see. So it's on. It's on. There you go. So it's been 10 minutes now, and now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this paper, and now you guys can actually see. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be applying this fixation, which is the number 2 solution. I'm gonna go ahead and use another wrapping paper, a clear wrapping paper, and I'm gonna apply it for another 10 minutes. So make sure you don't have any product outside the eyebrows, and if you do, just use the wipe to clean it up, because I don't want any redness anymore. That's pretty much it. So see, the other side is perfect, but this side's a little red, and I don't want that. So we have to make sure that, yeah, there you go, that it doesn't go outside the eyebrow. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wrapping paper again for another 10 minutes, and then we're back in 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes is up now, and I'm gonna remove these now. Oh, there you go. So the redness is definitely gone here on this side. On this side right here, I didn't have any redness. So I would definitely recommend that before you do these, try it on your hand and leave it for at least 10 minutes and see if you get any reaction from it. I'm actually gonna get a Q-tip, and I'm gonna remove any extra of that solution, and hopefully I'll be fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these number 3. It's a nutrition oil. So I'm gonna grab another Q-tip, a clean one, and I'm gonna dip it into that oil. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the cleanser, which is the number 4, and this is kind of like the final step. Very, very gently. I don't want to remove any initial styling that I did on my eyebrows. I sound so professional. And yeah, I think this is gonna be it. These are gonna be my eyebrows for 4 weeks. What do you guys think? Do you think I did well? Do you guys like the end results? I got a bit scared, I'm not gonna lie, when my eyebrow here got very, very red. I feel like it almost got irritated. I don't understand why, because I've seen so many people doing it and none of them got irritation from these products. So I don't know what I did wrong, because I didn't get it on this side, I only got it on this side. So that's why I recommend you guys to try it first on your hand, and then apply it on your face right after. Sorry, my dog is eating. Of course, he's eating right now. And that's pretty much it. I am very happy with the results for sure. I wasn't expecting it to look very nice, and definitely recommend you guys to do your eyebrows the day before, shape them, wax them, trim them, whatever you gotta do, so you are happy with the way they look before you do this procedure. Don't forget to apply this product on your hand first, right here on this side, and see if you get any allergic reactions before you put it on your eyebrows. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this video can actually help you decide if you want the eyebrow lift, if the eyebrow lift is for you or not, because I don't think it's for everyone. I feel like I was very, very afraid to see how it was going to turn out, but it turned out well. I'm very happy how it turned out. I feel like as long as you know how to shape them and you try to keep them that way, then you'll be fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.